Namaste, I am Chehek
and I am Ria from Yatha Realty.
And today we are here at Tak Ishwa Sector 63A, Gurugram.
Tak Ishwa is located at a prime corner in Sector 63A, Gurugram, with a 24-meter wide road on one side and 84-meter wide road on the other. It's just minutes away from Cyber City, Le Méridien and Grand Hyatt. It's close to Worldmark, Doubletree by Hilton and South Point Mall. Top hospitals like Medanta and Paris are nearby.
Now I will show you the 3D model of this project. So this is the 3D model and you will get 4 side open residences here. So you will get ample sunlight throughout the day, and this whole project is inspired by golden ratio. That is, you will get ample amount of sunlight throughout the day, where this residential project is in the 7 acres of area, and the rest of the area Tak Ishwa has kept for future expansion. And among this 7 acres of residential area, this development comes in 1 acre of the area, and rest of the 6 acres is for open green spaces. And you will get all the beautiful, all the club amenities here, 63 plus club amenities here. And if you will see, it is connected to 24-meter wide road to 8-meter wide road. And this is the 3D layout of this project.
Namaste everyone, I am Ria from Yatha Realty. And before heading towards our amazing flat, I would like to give you a brief about this project, as this is the 4th project of the Tak Limited. And the name of this project is so beautiful, derived from the word Shiva, which means a spiritual teacher. Tak delivered from the past 50 years. They have the pure legacy of the 50 years, and they have delivered more than 50,000 of DDA flats. This flat is completely designed with the Vastu compliance, spiritual and designed with royalty.
Now let me take you inside the 4 BHK apartment. So as soon as we enter, you will see on the right hand side, you will get a separate entry for your servant room. So if you are going somewhere, you can lock your apartment and your servants will have a separate entry to the house. Now as soon as you are entering into the lift lobby area, you will see that you will get 2 private lifts here. Moving on from here, you are welcomed by this digital camera. And as soon as you enter, you will see that there is a biometric lock here. And now we are entering into the house, and I'll show you the powder room of this apartment. And this is the powder room. And if you will see that Italian marbles are used here, golden faucets are used here, and the interiors of this powder room is just marvelous. Now we are stepping into the dining area of this house. This 3900 square feet of luxury apartment, you will see that is designed on Indian tradition and Indian heritage. You can easily accommodate a 6-seater or even a 9-seater dining table here. Moving on from the dining area, you are welcomed into this beautiful living area, and you will see that even after placing ample amount of furniture, you will have ample amount of space to move freely. And you will get this sliding glass doors, and this is the toughened glass, also the soundproof. And as soon as we enter, you are welcomed by 8 feet wrap around deck, and this is 6 feet long running balcony. So we can say that this is 8 by 6 wrap around deck, and you will see that ample amount of furniture have been placed here, planters have been placed here, and you will see that even barbecue have been placed here. But still you have ample amount of space. You can organize your small gatherings here, you can do yoga here, and you can enjoy morning and evening tea here, totally your call.
Okay, let's move into our first bedroom, which is our guest bedroom. देखिए कितना ही ब्यूटीफुली और कितना ही स्पेशियस हमारा ये रूम बनाया गया है हमारे गेस्ट का प्रॉपर अच्छे से ध्यान रखने के लिए। आप देख सकते हैं हमारी पूरी हाइट जो है अप्रॉक्स 11.5 फुट दी हुई है। वी हैव अमेजिंग वार्डरोब्स, हैव दिस ब्यूटीफुल वार्डरोब जिसमें बहुत ही ज़्यादा एम्पल स्पेस दे रखा है अपनी चीज़ों को एक मैनेजेबल तरीके से रखने के लिए। नाउ अब हम चलते हैं अपने ब्यूटीफुल से बाथरूम में, विच ऑल्सो गिव्स यू एन अमेजिंग लुक। See the marbles, the Italian marbles is so amazing. The tiles are so beautifully aligned and so beautifully designed. We have this shower cubicle. We have this amazing some mirror and the vanity area as well. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं हमारे इस रूम में बहुत ही अमेजिंग सी फुल फ्लैज एक विंडो दी गई है विच इज़ अ साउंड ग्लेज विंडो, जहाँ पे आपको प्रॉपर सनलाइट प्रोवाइड होगी. अगर दिन में भी आप सारी लाइट्स बंद कर देंगे तो भी आपको बहुत अमेजिंग सनलाइट प्रोवाइड की जाएगी.
One thing you will notice here that even the corridors has windows, so there will be proper ventilation in this house. Now I will show you the heart of this apartment, and that is your kitchen area. And as soon as we enter the kitchen area, you are welcomed by this double door refrigerator, and you will get this Bosch microwave, and also you will get this chimney and hob, and you will see that you will get glass doors here so that you can arrange all of your crockery items. You can decorate it as per your own, and you will see that you are getting ample amount of space to work here. And this is a fully modular kitchen. You will get this kitchen as it is. Now, moving forward from the kitchen area, you are welcomed into this utility area, and you can place your washing machine here,
which is a service provider room. ये कमरा भी इतना अमेजिंगली बनाया हुआ है, इतना प्यारा बनाया हुआ है कि यहाँ पे इस कमरे को हम अपनी तरह से मोल्ड कर सकते हैं. हम इसको स्टूडियो रूम भी बना सकते हैं. हम इसको अपनी तरीके से और भी चीज़ें इसे अच्छे से डेकोरेट कर सकते हैं. Also we have this individual washroom as well with all the amazing fittings and the vanity space as well.
Coming out of the kitchen area, now I will show you the most important part of this house, and that is family lounge. This beautiful family lounge, and this is also called Brahmsthal of this house. And as you all know, these are square shaped apartments, and as you are already aware, square shaped apartments are best as per Vastu.
Okay, let's move into our second bedroom, which is our junior master bedroom. How amazingly and beautifully designed it is. So spacious, it gives you a complete royal look. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे कंप्लीट कितना प्यारा सब चीज़ बहुत अच्छे से डिज़ाइन की गई है. आपको प्रॉपर फ्रेश एयर, फ्रेश सनलाइट पूरे टाइम आपको प्रोवाइडेड की जाएगी. इट मीन्स योर डे इज अमेजिंग. ओके, दिस इज आवर वॉकिंग वार्डरोब. यहाँ पे भी बहुत अमेजिंगली हर चीज़ डिज़ाइन की गई है विद द थीम बेस्ड. We have ample space to keep our stuffs. Let's move into the washroom area. This is the amazing shower cubicle. And the vanity area is also so amazing and so beautiful with the beautiful mirror as well. We can't miss a beautiful space of this room, which is the balcony. This is your private balcony, designed so beautifully. You can see that. आपको एक प्राइवेसी और आपकी हर चीज़ का प्रॉपर ध्यान रखा हुआ है. You get the fresh air as well. Let's move into our third bedroom, which is also a junior master bedroom. यहाँ पे एंटर करने से पहले एक हमें बहुत प्यारी सी कबर्ड दी हुई है, जहाँ पे एक एम्पल स्पेस है अपनी चीज़ें रखने के लिए. हम लोग यहाँ पे अपनी नेसेसरी डेली यूसेस की कुछ चीज़ें रख सकते हैं. Also we have this beautiful mirror as well. This is so amazingly so aesthetic. Okay, let's head towards the room. The room is so beautifully, so nice designed. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं कितना प्यारा हर एक कमरे को इतना खूबसूरती से डिज़ाइन किया हुआ है. हर चीज़ का प्रॉपर ध्यान रखा है कि हमें प्रॉपर फ्रेश एयर मिल रही है, फ्रेश सनलाइट मिल रही है. हमारा बहुत प्यारा सा वैनिटी एरिया भी प्रोवाइड किया हुआ है, जो हमारे घर की औरतों को कोई प्रॉब्लम भी नहीं होगी. वी हैव दिस अमेजिंग काउच एज वेल. Okay, in this room we have provided with the walk-in closet. This is so spacious. You can easily capture things. We have the bathroom as well. So nice, so beautifully designed. It gives you the royal look. See how beautiful the tile is. The shower cubicle is also so nice. The vanity area also we have provided with the vanity area. We have provided with the beautiful mirror The mirror is so classic, so nice. आइए चलते हैं इस घर के सबसे प्यारी जगह पे जो आपको एक रॉयल फील देता है, विच इज आवर 4th बेडरूम, आवर मास्टर बेडरूम। इस कमरे में एंटर होते ही हमें मिलता है एक बहुत प्यारा सा मिरर, बहुत ही प्यारा सा डिजाइन किया हुआ मिरर हमें मिलता है। हमें एक बहुत प्यारा सा काउच, और ये कमरा इतना स्पेशियस, इतना बड़ा है कि अपने आप में एक रॉयल वाली फील आने लग जाती है इस कमरे को देखकर ही। कितना प्यारा, कितना आप देख सकते हैं कितना प्यारा डिज़ाइन किया हुआ है ये। यहाँ पे हमारा टीवी यूनिट मिलता है। वी हैव दिस ब्यूटिफुल वैनिटी एरिया। सी हाउ aesthetically things are designed. The balcony area is so nice. Also we have this mosquito net कि अगर हम अपना बालकनी को खोल भी लेंगे तो हमारे कोई भी इंसेक्ट्स अंदर नहीं आएंगे। We have the full safety. देखिए कितना प्यारी बालकनी है, कितनी प्यारी फ्रेश एयर आपको मिल रही है। सुबह की यहाँ पे चाय एंजॉय करना is a dream.
So that was 4 BHK luxury apartment by Tak Ishwa. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed showing it to you. If you have any queries, you can book your site visits through the number mentioned below. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel Yatha Realty. This is Shehak Bansal signing off.